You can't turn your phone while recording. Try another way of going live. Oh, are we live?
Let's hope not.
Wait, let's see. So you guys, we've never done a live video before. It says live down there.
Yeah.
Okay, we got it? Okay, hey everyone.
Probably like sideways too.
It's
alright.
Wait, I hope we're not. Let's see. Okay. So we wanted to hop on here really quick, and if anybody is actually watching, will you type in if we're the right way? Because I can't tell. But yeah, so hey everyone, welcome to Superior Products Facebook page. We just recently did a giveaway, and so we are gonna hop on here really quick and we are going to pick a winner for the giveaway. So I have Dana here with me. Dana does some of our social media, so you may see her answering questions or helping you guys out. But so in the giveaway, it was a kit. It was a tire and wheel kit, and so I'm going to show you really quick what was in it. So we are giving away a free can of coverall tire dressing. If you guys have ever used this stuff, it's amazing. Spray it, walk away, good to go. High shine, long lasting, awesome stuff. Probably our #1 selling item. So that's in the kit. We also have, oh, hey Lindsay, are you watching? Are we the right way?
No, we're not. Tina said something.
We're not the right way?
No, you're not the right way.
What do you know?
Okay, wait, you guys. Oh my God. You guys, hang on. Wait, let's see. Are we the right way now?
Yeah.
No.
No?
You're getting there. There you are.
Yay.
Okay.
Here we are.
Oh my gosh. All right, so the other item in the kit, okay, so we're also giving away a 32-ounce bottle of Rage. Rage is a really awesome product. It's a good exterior cleaner for your car. It's gonna remove bugs. It's super easy to use. You just wanna make sure that you dilute this stuff 4 to 1. Always cut it 4 to 1, spray it on the exterior of your car, and it will work fantastic.
This is diluted already though.
Yes.
So you won't need to dilute this one.
So the retail stuff is already diluted. Hi, Sarah. So you won't have to dilute this, but if you buy it in a gallon or actually even our 16-ounce bottles, those are gonna be concentrates. And then the other item in the kit is a wheel spoke brush. So these kits are available on our website. Hang on a second. Can you guys turn that off? Because I can just hear me. Yeah.
Mine's off.
Is that you? Okay, sorry. Okay, thanks. All right, so we did where you can enter to win. And one thing that I wanted to say really quick is if you guys give us your information, like for this kit, you went to our messenger and then it said, email, phone number, join our Facebook group page. We're not selling anything. We're not, none of that is being sold to third parties or anything. It is just for our use. So, don't be freaked out that we're gonna,
I'm definitely not calling anybody.
sell your phone number to somebody, because I promise we won't. Okay, so we are going to pick a winner right now. Okay, drum roll. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so the winner is Tim Rose. And I'm kind of glad because there were some names in here that I was a little worried I was gonna have a hard time pronouncing. But Tim Rose. So I think this is gonna be backwards. I don't even know. Can you guys see? Oh, that? Okay. All right, so Tim is the winner of our exterior kit. Again, these are available on our website. We are going to do another giveaway, so make sure that you guys do all the social media stuff, like our page, follow us, YouTube, we're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. So congratulations, Tim Rose, you have won the tire and wheel kit. The next kit that we're going to give away is an interior kit. The interior kit.
Leather lotion, leather cleaner.
No, that's the leather kit. The interior kit is
Oh,
aqua
the
gloss.
Aqua gloss, yeah.
Gosh, maybe we should have.
Yeah.
So go to our website
Check it out.
and look for the kits. Yeah.
Your kit is Zap It, Aqua Gloss, Blue Iron Brush, and Spray Bottle.
Okay, Zap It, Aqua Gloss, an iron carpet brush, and a spray bottle. So that will be the next thing that we're giving away. You guys will love Aqua Gloss. If you haven't tried it yet, it is an amazing interior dressing. Repels dust, stuff doesn't stick to it. It's a really cool product. So, and again, bear with us. If we don't, get back to you right away on a question or something like that, we're a small family-owned company. We're all trying to pitch in and do our best. So we're really, we're trying to help you guys out, and we want to start doing some more giveaways for you. So, okay, all right. So I think that's it for right now. And thank you guys so much for watching and entering, and I hope you enjoy your kit, Tim.
Congratulations.
Okay, bye guys.